What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gary, and this is day 3 of our 12 days of giveaways. That's right, there's already been 2 days past, and frankly, we've given away some pretty massive bundles. But as you can see here, there is absolutely no shortage on products that we have to give away. The last 2 days have focused on either paint correction, wheels and tires, and a whole lot of other things to clean the outside of the car. And we also gave away one of these cool IGL kits that really had every little product in it that you would ever need. I think we take things into the interior of the vehicle. I'll just pick from this massive assortment of products, and I think we'll make somebody's day. That's all we're really trying to do here at this channel. I've had a few people that wanted me to start trying to make long form content, so I figured I would. And what better way to kind of kick that new season off by doing what I like to do more than anything, and that's giving back to the communities that I care so greatly about. And detailing is no exception. So I'm going to take a look at what we have here, and then we're going to put something together that I think is going to be very special. The first thing we're going to grab is this 3-pack of TDS Interior Brushes. It's nothing real special. This is just a white label product, but we were able to get a great deal on these and then obviously offer an immense value to the people that come to thatdtailguy.com. The next thing we'll go ahead and include is some Biobombs. Every single giveaway we're going to have during this time is going to have one of these Biobombs air fresheners in it. This is the iced out. I have this in my own personal car, and it is freaking flame, guys. All you do is crack this in half. You can put the other thing in a Ziploc bag or fold it over, throw it in the glove box, and then you throw the other one underneath the passenger seat. Your car's going to smell great. Mine is going on 2 months right now. I couldn't be any happier with this product. It's been a really, really great time. As we make our way around, I'm going to go ahead and include a couple towels here that you guys can use to clean the interior. These are actually from the Hot Wheels bundle, just another throw-in that they give you from that extremely unique and valuable kit. It's been really cool, and I've actually really liked using all the Hot Wheels products. It's one of those things where you don't really expect it, but it's been really cool, and my son and I have actually bonded quite a bit through detailing because he really loves Hot Wheels right now. So it's honestly been really nice. The reality is, for the worst of messes, maybe this 3-pack of TDS brushes just isn't enough. Maybe you need to supercharge things. We're going to throw in this Fantic G9 Nano. That's right, these things actually retail for like 35 bucks. One thing I really love about Fantic is the packaging. I say we go ahead and crank this thing open and take a look before we gift it away. Hopefully whoever gets it doesn't mind. All right, I already know that this experience is just going to be like super nice because Fantic does not play when it comes to their presentation or packaging. We'll go ahead and put that thing right there. And just being somebody who does a little manufacturing also, I just respect when companies take the time to do this type of molding. This is super high density foam. I am jealous, guys. Hopefully we can get to like this point one day because this is really cool. Here's the brushes that you get. So you have like your standard detail brush. There's one to get into like the cup holders and that type of area. And then this one is, and these are pretty stiff. This one you can probably get in between like those leather seats, we have to like spread them or whatever. So that's really nice. It comes with obviously the charger here. And then let's look at the actual unit itself real quick before we bundle this thing back up. All right, I try not to be too rough on the packaging so we can put it back and it's not too messed up. That's really neat. All right, so yeah, this thing's been sitting for a while, so it's pretty, oh no, it's not dead. That's kind of what it looks like, about how loud it's gonna be. I don't know if there's like extra speeds or not. Hold on the button right there to turn it off. It's pretty cool. So that's what we're gonna include just to up the ante a little bit and give back the best way that we can. This thing's been sitting in my house for months, dude. Absolutely months. There's one person that's not upset about giving away this type of stuff, and that's my wife. Now, all the other stuff, she's getting a little crazy, but I don't know. But while we're on that subject, let me tell you kind of what else we're doing in addition to this massive giveaway. If you guys go to thatdtailguy.com, every single product there is buy 2, get 1 free, no coupon codes required. So if you want to get a set of detailing brushes, you can get 2 3-packs and you'll get 1 free, right? Somebody earlier got 3 TDS foam cannons and it was only like 99 bucks because our foam cannons are only $49.99. So you're just getting one absolutely free. And on top of that, I'm still going to do band pulls. So you're gonna win even more, because at a minimum, you're gonna get 10% off your next purchase, every single Apex foam cannon that you guys buy. It's just been a really nice experience for everybody. I think that promotion is doing really well. And honestly, we probably haven't even done the marketing that we need to do, because we never do. I do it this way. And the next thing we're gonna throw in here is this Total Interior Cleaner by Winter White. For those of you that maybe don't know, Winter White is actually a pretty successful brand over on Amazon. And I've kind of known that gentleman for quite a while now. He had given us some products not too long ago. I messaged him and asked if we could just throw them in during this giveaway. And he was super happy to say yeah about that. So pretty cool. The next thing we're gonna throw in is this Winter White Steamer Lane. This is gonna be a carpet and upholstery cleaner. I figured it'd be a really nice product just to kind of go with that inside interior package and keep the brand together. You got the little electric scrub brush, so I'd be curious to see what kind of power that has and if it will actually help you there get out those stains. The nice thing about this though, it's an odor neutralizer also. So that combined with the Biobombs, hey, you could have a hell of a combination. And the next thing we're gonna throw in is some glass cleaner from Garage Therapy. I really like the bottles that the guys have here. I really like the simplicity of their packaging. It just looks very premium. And I'll be excited to order some of their products in the future. All these will have their own sprayer heads also. I just gotta go find them. My wife did some cleaning today and she put all the sprayer heads in one box. So if I mess that up, I apologize. But you gotta love her, man. She's always trying to help us out and keep everything on the up and up here. Some of you guys might not see a whole lot of value in this, but this is one of them things where you watch one of them ads in the middle of the night and it gets you. This right here is one of those squeegees where it has like a little sprayer on it. And maybe you guys use this in the house. Maybe you guys use it for the car. I don't know. I got like 3 of them. I just thought they were really cool, like cleaning the bathroom or something like that. But maybe you guys find a use for that. Just trying to throw some stuff in there, guys, to make everybody happy, because that's what this is about. It's about giving back. No purchase necessary. But while I'm thinking about it, why don't I explain what you got to do to enter? It's real simple. All you guys have to do is make sure you're subscribed to the That Detail Guy YouTube channel, okay? That's always going to be step 1 for most things. The next thing you're going to want to do is comment below and let me know what your favorite dish is during this holiday season. Now me, you can tell, like to eat a little bit. My favorite dish is gotta be probably ham, a little green bean casserole. Now, if you throw some deviled eggs in there, whew, doggy, we're gonna be having a good time. I won't be asleep on the couch, you know what I'm saying? You're going to go to thatdtailshop.com and just sign up for an account. Now, I know the holidays aren't for everybody, and if that is your case, then just give me some feedback as far as what we can do on this channel to connect with our audience and make sure we give you guys a better experience. Or if I'm doing something you really like and you want me to keep doing that, you guys let me know that too. And then as far as like desserts go, mine has got to be pecan pie. My grandma over in Sumner, Illinois, I'm telling you what, she can make a pie like nobody's business. So just let's do a recap. We've got Garage Therapy right here. We've got Winter White's Steamer Lane Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, the Total Interior Cleaner. We're gonna give you guys 2 towels out of the Hot Wheels kit that we got. We're gonna give you guys a Biobombs, a iced out version. We're gonna include the G9 Nano from Fantic. This little contraption here. Hope you guys like it. And then lastly, we got a 3-pack of brushes from thatdtailshop.com. And that's about it for tonight, guys. I hope that you guys stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff still to go. And this isn't even all of it. I ordered 2 days ago, like $300+ worth of more stuff to bring in here. And if we run out, guess what? We're gonna get some more, okay? This is what we're gonna do for about 10, we got 10 more days now to continue giving back to this community, a community that has literally been the difference between life and death for me. A community that I could rely on to always be there for me when I was in my darkest days. This time last year, I was in a bad spot. I was going through a lot of different things, losing my job, trying to figure out how I was gonna take care of my kids, trying to figure out how I was gonna be a good husband. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to be on this planet anymore, to be honest with you guys. But it was a lot of the inspiration, some of the feedback that I got from this audience that helped me keep pushing. It was a space that I was allowed to escape to when I was detailing those cars. And of course, the money provided that enabled me to keep putting one foot in front of the other, just like I was taught when I was in the military all those years. Anyways, guys, I love you forever and always. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hope everybody's there. Peace. Winter's here, but the deal's so fine. TDS, yeah.
it's grind time.